What's your favorite part of coming to school every day? What do you like to do the most?
I think I like math the most. I really like the algebra that we're doing in math, and
Cool.
I don't know, it's what I look forward to.
Great. Hey, have any of you had the projects class with Mrs. Dietrich in the basement?
Yeah.
What are you doing there?
Well, you kind of like make all different projects and stuff. I like it because you get to like work on something, and I think it's pretty fun.
What did you make last time you were in there?
I made a flower spoon mirror and...
Flower spoon mirror?
Yeah.
What does that mean?
Well, it's a mirror and then it's a flower on the outside.
Okay. All right. What was the challenge? Did it come with it like a project? What kind of directions were you given?
Well, it was a 20% project, and we were just told to try something new and try to learn something new.
Have you already had that this?
Yeah, we're in P&I right now.
What are you doing in there right now?
I made a light bulb.
How'd you make a light bulb?
Took 2 alligator clips, a lot of batteries, a mason jar, and pencil lead refills.
All right,
Put it
cool.
all together, got a light bulb.
One of the things that we did that's sort of interesting in our middle school is we equip each student with an iPad. So what do you like most about that?
I like that we can see like our homework assignments that we have, and then if you forget about it, then you can just go and check, or if you were gone a day, you can get caught back up.
What kind of neat things have you done with that iPad?
Keynotes.
Keynotes?
Yeah.
Do you get that as an assignment that you have to use Keynote, or that Keynote is just something you can choose to do?
We normally get a choice between 2 things.
Right.
I joined the Keynote.
Have you ever made a movie with it? Like, I was here the other day and the 6th grade health kids were making, they had the iPad taped to the wall and they were all dancing in front of it kind of thing and then editing. Tell us about a movie you made.
Health, we had to make a video, an example of like bullying, and so we had to make the video and how it looked and stuff to the
So
bully.
you acted out the bullying, or?
Yeah.
Okay. When you have time away from school, like on a Saturday, what do you do then?
Well, if you're in a sport, sometimes it's tournaments, but if you aren't in a sport, it's sometimes homework or relaxing.
What about sports and activities here at school? Anybody do that? Once the winter season, which we have basketball, wrestling,
I was in
that kind of stuff?
basketball.
Yeah,
Basketball. How long does that usually last?
a couple weeks, maybe like a month.
Are you all in music?
I'm in choir.
You're in choir. What instrument do you play?
I played the clarinet.
Clarinet, and you are?
Also saxophone.
What do we do social? Do we have like dances here, or do we go to the roller rink, or do we do any of that kind of stuff yet? Or?
Well, there was a dance a while ago, but it was like the where it was still kind of warm out. But I thought that dance was pretty fun because I loved it.
Ah, yeah, okay. How about the rest of you?
I went to that dance for a small amount of time, but then I had to leave. But other than that, there's no like dances or roller rink.
Where do we do that over here? In the middle school, where do we have a dance? In the basement, or is it in the gym? Or in the cafeteria? You know, we really do a nice job, speaking of the cafeteria, serving food here. What's your favorite thing to eat here?
The tater tot hot dish.
Oh, the tater tot hot dish. How about you guys?
One day they had stromboli. It was really good.
Everybody likes that for some reason. Which one of the extra things do you like the best? We got P&I and music and robots and art, and it's one of those things that's completely favorite.
The technology integration class, we've done woodwork, technology, like robotics kind of things, and now we're doing a photography unit.
I'm in general music and band, so I get to learn how to play the piano too. I like art a lot.
What did you make in art this year?
I made 2 clay statues.
Since we have 8th graders, we all have 8th graders, you must have just been to the high school for the whole sign up kind of thing. What are you looking forward to most about going to high school?
I like that we get to pick our classes.
Yes, a little more freedom for that.
Yeah.
Are you nervous about that? Are you nervous about going over there a little bit? Yeah.
I'm actually pretty excited.
Are you excited about it?
Excited.
What parts of that are you think are going to be good? You know, I can't wait to get there because
We're almost done with
yes,
high school.
there's just a completion of this part. What are you most nervous about?
Getting lost in the first day.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, that's not atypical. Everybody sort of worries about that's bigger place. Do we still do like an AA over here? Yeah. So are you connected to people who are younger than older than you.
Yep.
How often do you see these people in that AA?
It's every day.
It's every day. Well, thank you for staying after school and visiting with me and sharing some of those things. Like I said, I think it's important for people who aren't connected to our school to click on the button and